I'm Matt Landis, founder of Landis Technologies, and Landis Technologies has been providing Microsoft certified contact center solutions to companies in about 40 countries around the globe, from high value, personally assisted scenarios handled by a receptionist to scenarios where it's digitally routed and queued to an agent that takes care of the call and then is assisted by AI, to a digital assistant IVR that entirely handles the customer's requests. Landis has the full breadth of solutions. At Landis, we expect a hybrid of these scenarios will be used going into the future.
Here, the live conversation processor is detecting key moments. For example, a part number was mentioned, so it automatically shows the quantity and price. And also notice that the agent should be conveying empathy. The caller has asked for a callback reminder to be given to the recipient, and all the receptionist needs to do is click one button, and then a summary of the call will be sent to the recipient.
Hello and welcome. I'm the Contoso AI Customer Assistant. What can I do for you today?
I'd like to check on when an order I placed will be shipped.
One moment. Thanks for that info. Let's find your order details. Please tell me the PIN number for your account.
105.
Your order for the phone screen replacement kit has not been shipped yet. The expected delivery date is February 20th, 2025. Was there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. You've helped me well.
Whether companies want to have high personal touch interactions or they have government regulations that they need to adhere to, or they want to optimize the use of their people. With Landis, we provide the breadth of solutions that you need to leverage your Microsoft technologies to provide life-friendly customer interactions.